All right, so in terms of action items and next steps, I just wanted to have you think about like specifically what you're going to do to kind of remedy these behaviors.
Okay.
So in terms of circulating the room to monitor student behavior to ensure they are meeting the expectation, like what do you plan on doing with that when you walk into your class in the next couple of days?
Is this not just straightforward? So I plan to circulate, basically do exactly what Gus says. Circulate the room to monitor the behavior, and focus on not just implementing my lesson, but focusing on behavior as well.
All right, and what would you do in an instance where you see a student not meeting the expectation?
Redirect them.
Okay, and you have your consequence system.
Yes.
All right.
Well, the school-wide consequence system, like a check, yeah.
And have you gone like over those expectations with the students yet?
I haven't, but Jessica did, our first math person.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess when I start my lessons, I could reiterate them every day, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Or even if you want to have them posted somewhere that you can reference, because the students have already internalized them through one of your cohorts lessons, then you can just have like a poster so that you can reference, so they won't be like, oh, this isn't fair. You know?
Right, okay.
Because like you know the expectation, you're not meeting it. This is your consequence.
Mm-hmm.
So actively circulate. Reference consequences. Give consequences if necessary. All right. The second point. This is so small. Let me make it a little bit bigger. All right. So the second point. Go through the modeling process with the students in real time during the I do and the we do. So is there something that you can correct in terms of what you did today to make this process a little bit stronger moving forward?
So basically just letting them have more of a say when I do the we do, giving them opportunities to assist me and not just me giving them all the answers.
Yes, and you could either use some of those like discussion questions to kind of like extend or probe their thinking, or even like asking them the steps in your key points.
Okay.
So it's like, could you remind me of your first key point?
The first key point is
to read the text, right?
Yeah, read the paragraph.
And then the second one is
to highlight or selectively underline.
Yeah. So if after you read the paragraph, like ask them, is there anything in this paragraph that like particularly stands out to you as important? Like what should I underline?
Mm-hmm.
So like being at the front of the room, like with your, because you're doing it through Microsoft Word, or like once you have it in the PowerPoint.
Right. From now on, I'm definitely gonna do a PowerPoint because I didn't like the way it was set up today.
Yes. So just like being able to like change that paragraph and manipulate it in real time. All right. So include opportunities for questioning, to probe student thinking. About the topic. Explicitly going through the key points. And the third one is pretty explicit. But do you have an idea about the particular strategy that you're going to use to shave off that time? This is just like a suggestion.
Right.
But do you have any ideas about what you think would work better for you and your teaching style?
I'll probably read the poll question and then ask them, if you agree, put your hands up, write a count, and then write that count on the board somewhere. Then if you disagree, and then write that count, and then have like a before and after tally to compare.
Okay.
How we changed.
So before and after. Poll question responses. Students will raise their hand. To indicate their response. Are you going to have the share out too?
Yes. Maybe like 3.
Share out. 3 students. And this is even a responsibility that you can put on another student, like have them count and then maybe write the tally on the board.
Right. Keep them up and moving.
Yeah. Let's see. All right. Did you have any? Oh, another thing, quick thing. I don't know if I was wrong on time or not, but did the math people kind of go into your time?
The transition is always kind of off because, like, I come in exactly at 10:15 when I'm